If you're running a call center, you know it's a constant balancing act. You're always trying to nail quality, ensure compliance, but for decades, the entire industry has been stuck on one very small number.
1 to 3%. For as long as we can remember, that's all your quality assurance program has been able to look at. Your team spends hours and hours listening to this tiny, random sample of calls. And that's it. That's all they have to work with.
And that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? What's hiding in that huge blind spot? Are there major compliance risks you're totally missing? Customers about to walk out the door? Are your best agents even getting the credit they deserve? When you're only sampling 1%, let's be honest, you're guessing.
But what if you could stop guessing and start knowing? Well, that's exactly what the 100% revolution is all about. We're talking about a fundamental shift all powered by AI that gives you complete visibility into every single conversation. And you might think this is super complicated, but it's actually incredibly straightforward. It's really just 3 steps. First, you connect a system like Macorva's Radiant AI to the call platform you're already using. Second, the AI agents immediately get to work, listening to, transcribing, and scoring every call. And third, you get to act on real-time alerts and insights as they happen.
So what are these AI agents? Well, you should think of them as new members of your team, virtual team members. They're this tireless workforce that's completely dedicated to quality. They listen to every call and automatically score each conversation based on the unique standards and scorecards that matter to your business.
Okay, so let's break down the first huge benefit of this 100% approach. We're going to talk about how this transforms your quality assurance and compliance, basically turning your QA program from a spot check into a full-blown intelligence operation. The difference here is just night and day. The old way was all about random sampling, a total shot in the dark. Feedback could take weeks, right? Making it pretty much impossible to fix a problem in time. The new way? We're talking total coverage, instant alerts, and automated, rock-solid compliance monitoring on every call.
And this total coverage gives you some amazing results. You get an alert the second a customer says they're going to cancel, so you actually have a chance to step in and save them. The AI can automatically check if your agents read mandatory legal disclosures. It can even analyze sentiment, the actual emotion in their voice, to tell you why a customer was upset, not just that they were. The bottom line is, critical issues just don't slip through the cracks anymore. Now, having all this objective data leads right into the next big transformation: coaching your agents. You can finally give your team feedback that's not only fair and consistent, but also incredibly specific and helpful.
Come on, we've all been there. A manager tells an agent, hey, you need to be more empathetic, or try to sound more confident. But what does that actually mean? Without real examples, that kind of vague advice is just frustrating. It doesn't actually help anyone get better.
Okay, now compare that to this. This is an AI-generated scorecard for an agent we'll call Andrew. Instead of just feelings, we've got real data. We see his overall CSAT is great. His strengths are super clear. He sticks to the script and he comes across as friendly. But the AI has also flagged some specific opportunities to get even better.
And here's where we can drill down. This chart shows us exactly what's going on. While Andrew is friendly 80% of the time, he's only rated as helpful in 43% of his calls. Now that is something you can work with. A manager can sit down with Andrew, pull up the exact calls the AI flagged, and have a targeted coaching session on how to be more helpful. That's how you create real change.
So that brings us to our third key area: efficiency. By automating all the really tedious parts of QA, you give your team back their most valuable resource, their time, so they can focus on what really matters.
And the result is a total flip in how your team spends their day. Before, they were spending maybe 90% of their time just listening to random calls. But with AI, that script is flipped. Now, they can spend 90% of their time on high-impact coaching and just a fraction of their time reviewing the few critical calls the AI has already flagged for them.
So let's be super clear here. This isn't about replacing your managers or your QA team. Not at all. It's about empowering them. It's about letting the AI do the heavy lifting, the endless repetitive work, so your experts can use their skills where they have the biggest impact, on coaching and solving tough customer problems. So when you put it all together, 100% quality assurance, coaching that's actually driven by data, and these huge gains in efficiency, you're not just making a small improvement, you're setting a totally new standard of excellence for your entire contact center. At the end of the day, the goal is to get past random sampling. It's about finally getting a complete, unbiased, and truly actionable picture of what's happening in your customer conversations. It's about turning every single call into a chance to learn and get better.
And that kind of brings us to the final thought here: the technology to give you total visibility, to completely eliminate the guesswork, exists right now. So the only real question left is, if you could know what's happening on 100% of your calls, why would you ever settle for 1% again?